HR is not just about policies and processes. It's about shaping experiences that enable the people to do their best.
Your very first thought will never be accepted by the management. Okay. You should always be ready to hear that you submitted an idea and it's the first response that comes is no. And you should be okay with it. The reason why is because whenever HR steps in with an idea, there's definitely involvement of many things which has to do with finance, a lot of hours being off operations and multiple things.
Very first thing is that you got to figure out whether you're a people person or no. I mean, patience is the key. I think here in this function, you will actually have to have utmost patience to deal with people because there are so many people around you, and everybody has a different, thinking. Everybody has a different mindset. Everyone has different emotions. So to deal with different emotions with different mindsets, it
should find energy while speaking to people, right? If you're not feeling energized, then you will feel a lot more drained in an HR role, because people will come for all sort of things, mostly challenges and problems they're facing. If you don't find like enthused to talk about these things, you will feel drained out.
But at the same time, be very much sure that when you present your ideas to them, you do have the data. You talk about the data, why and where this needs to be done. And also you talk about the impact. And at the same time,
and don't worry that you don't have the perfect plan. It will come as you progress. So if you want to make a difference, just start where you are, and with the right empathy mindset, right data, and take the action. Don't wait for the perfect plan.